It's Mr. Patty Walters' birthday today. Patty Walters. We're gonna sing him a very special happy birthday. So, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, Patty. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
I can't even fucking eat cake.
I'm just saying when I picked him up, the kid's got a nice butt.
He will.
I feel like a really bad friend because I always thought your birthday was in September. Turns out I didn't
It's
know
like,
at all.
the thing that's so funny is my half birthday was like so close, like it couldn't be much further from my birthday right now. So you guys did pretty good. Woo!
God, it's good. That cake is good though.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
How are you gonna play bass with like really, really sticky cake fingers?
The answer is messily.
Yeah.
I'm having so much fun. Are you guys having fun tonight? Hell yeah. So, I might be putting some kid on the spot right now, but
Yeah. So some kid came up to me earlier. He's wearing a red plaid shirt. Where is he? And he did the best impression of Patty I've ever seen in my
Yeah?
entire life.
yeah?
Where is he?
Do you want to come on stage and do your impression of me right now? Like, you know, if you're not up for it, that's
Oh, here we go.
Here we fucking go.
Let
Yeah.
through.
Please welcome to the stage my doppelganger, my other me. What's your name, dude? Let's hear this. I gotta do the shirt. Gotta make sure I do
He did the best impression of Patty to me earlier.
Thank you. Oh, we share our dial tone.
I had my back turned, and that was a fucking.
That was fucking great, man. Thank you so much. Give it up for